Hello and welcome back. Hello everybody, welcome back. This today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I've got two boxes here. I've got one from Melody Jane, is a small one, and I've taken all the labels off so you can't see nothing. So and there's so we'll see any dresses. And then I've got one from there's a bigger one from and Minimum Worlds. But these are the lights for the Art Deco house. But all they are is just normal lights. I haven't got anything fancy because they are and they're pretty dear now. Lights are, and really we're doing all this out of our own money. Yeah, and it does like work out, and they're pretty expensive. And that because doing miniatures and as on like as a doll's houses, and as it can work out very very expensive, or it can work out and then as if you want it to be like expensive, we can make it expensive. We can make it cheap as possible. But and as at the moment, yeah, it's of and I ordered some lights for the Art Deco house, and nothing's they're fancy. All it is just and they're just and they're normal lights. So I like to show you these, and then they show you sorry, share these with you. Sorry, so what I'm going to do is place down the camera a little bit and that's down to the table, and as in opening them, and as we can have a look at them, and they're both together because you can see they ain't been opened at all. They've still got a brown paper on, and then as this one's got the brown plastic paper, and then the paper on. So yeah, so I'm and then I'm going to face this down to the table. Okay, I'm going to open the one from Melody Jane first, and I've got my craft knife, and as you can see, we'll just cut down there and along this one here. It goes, just watch your hands, but everybody knows about how sharp these are. So that's we all there's only and then there by rights there's only a couple of lights in this one. I've got all the green stuff in here, all the green plastic stuff. Oh, I've got that one there, and I've got this one here. So that's all the lights in that one. I only ordered two off of Melody Jane. Well, it's you must have seen these lights a hundred times before, but all they are is, and then I don't know if you can see that one in the plastic. And what I will do is open it, and that is to show you the lights. And I think you've seen them anyway, and because they're only that's that one. And as because this one is to go into the bathroom, because I wanted one that was sealed, bathroom in the Art Deco house. I wanted one that was sealed, and I don't want like a chandelier or anything like because in Art Deco. So, and what I've done in those is that one there, and as an M plus, I've got this one here, and I hope you can see that. And then without me taking out the box, that's that one there. And because sorry, be up that way, wouldn't it? And there you know, so I don't know whether to have that one going into the living room in the Art Deco house, and because I have seen some lovely lights in the Art Deco lights, but they are very very expensive, and really we can't afford that yet, and there's at the moment. So and then we've got to put up with what we can afford. So yeah, that's that one. That's that one there. And that's what I do now. And then I'll just put this to one side. And then as I cut open the one from the Minimum Worlds. Okay, is do this one. I need to get some more and then that new blade for my knife because that one's snapped off at the top. Look, so but these blades are so dear now. God, tell about for about five and now I've been at about I don't know, it's about £8 or £9 I think now for about five. So expensive they are. So what I do with that I'll put it over there, and there's more of them, hundreds of them. Look, right, I got the one light there. Yeah, that's one to go on here. Because these ones are to go out on the it's on the outside of the Art Deco house, and I've got one to go on the balcony, and outside the door on the balcony, and then I've got one to go, two to go on the to, two to go on to the roof garden. So, and then I'll show you both of these. That's what we got from. Hang on, there's something else in there. Yes, yeah, okay, yeah. Put it over there as well. And right, I'll put it over there now. Right, I've got in that square one to go on to my balcony. That's a square light. And as you see, I will and open it and show you. Sure, I can put it back in the pack anyway, and just sellotape the pack back up. Yeah, I've got a little there's a little metal things, and that's a light, little square light, and as it will fix on the wall like that, and there's that way, and and that should look nice above there's the sliding doors, and on the balcony, that's that one. So I'll put that there, and then plus I've got two the same to go onto the roof as a roof garden, and as you know, because that'll be that one there, with that one there and that one there, and then they're exactly the same. And as they are to go onto my roof garden, and then when I do them on the Art Deco house. So, and what I do, I'll lay them out now, and as you know, take a closer up of them, and so you can see them a bit better. Here they are a bit closer, and that's a square one to go onto the balcony roof. And there's the M1, the round one, the N1 is to go in the bathroom, and the other one's to go into the living room. And that. So, okay, I know there's only and a couple there. So, and so I will return back to the camera. Yeah, so that's the lights I brought for the Art Deco house. So I'm going to end this video here now. So thank you for choosing our videos again. If you could please subscribe and push that like button. And if you've got any comments, if you can let us know because we love reading them and we love and that's sending like and some people would reply back and all that. So have a lovely week, and and then it's the weekend, and we'll catch you in the next one. So thank you very much for choosing that video game. Right, bye bye.